Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about logarithmic differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We put about natural log for the both sides. Now we can apply the formula in here. So this one, that is about this one. We need to transform this one into this one, and that is about x, l, and y. This one we need to transform from this one to this one, and we have like this. And this one, that is from this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So for this one, we need to do first derivative of x multiplied by l and y, and later that we do first derivative of l and y multiplied by x. This one we have 1 over x. This one we have first derivative of y over y. This one we have number 1. This one we have first derivative of y over y. Because everything in here, we just use about the product rule of derivative. Now, we put this one go to the left, L and Y go to the right. Next, we can do we can do factorization by y with first derivative of y. Now, we divide both sides by this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.